Hey guys, so now what we're going to do is simplify the expression, and we're going to start off by distributing distributive property. So we're going to do negative 3x and negative 3x plus 5. Once that's done, we'll bring it down. Negative 3x minus 15 plus 15x plus 35, bringing everything down. Next, we're going to combine like terms, negative 3x with 15x and negative 15 with positive 35. Then you add them and you get 12x plus 20, and you want to find the GCF, the greatest common factor. So your GCF would be 4, and then we would factor out 3x plus 5. And then a way to find out if you did the work correctly would be distribute your answer. Would be 4 times 3x would make 12x, and 4 with positive 5 would make 20. And this is how you solve your equation.